The next leap in artificial intelligence may not come from a larger computer. It may begin with a tiny chip that sees the world in a completely different way. Researchers at RMIT University have developed an experimental vision chip that can sense, process, and remember visual information at the same time. A small change in design, but one that could reshape how future machines understand their surroundings. Today's cameras are surprisingly inefficient. They capture huge amounts of visual data, then send everything to separate processors and memory before any decision is made. That constant movement of information consumes time, energy, and computing power. For robots, autonomous vehicles, and smart devices expected to react instantly, every unnecessary step matters. Instead of forcing hardware to work harder, researchers are now asking a different question. What if the hardware worked more like the human brain? That idea led to a field known as neuromorphic computing. Rather than separating vision, memory, and processing, this chip combines them into one system. The moment light reaches its surface, it begins analyzing what it sees while retaining useful information from previous activity. If you look closely, the difference is simple. Less data travels around the system, and more decisions happen exactly where the image is captured. The chip achieves this using materials whose electrical behavior changes after receiving signals, unlike ordinary electronic components that always respond the same way. These materials gradually adapt. That allows the device to recognize familiar patterns more efficiently over time. You can actually imagine it as a camera that learns from experience instead of treating every image as something completely new. The practical value goes far beyond faster electronics. A robot working inside a disaster zone could respond more efficiently without relying on powerful external computers. A self-driving vehicle could process changing road conditions while using less energy. Medical imaging systems might analyze important details closer to the sensor. Even compact drones and wearable devices could benefit because lower power consumption means longer operating time and smaller hardware. That said, this remains a laboratory demonstration. It is not ready to replace the processors inside today's computers or smartphones. Researchers still need to improve manufacturing, reliability, and large-scale production before the technology reaches commercial products. Like many scientific breakthroughs, turning promising research into everyday technology takes time. Even at this early stage, the message is clear. The future of artificial intelligence may depend less on building bigger processors and more on building smarter hardware. Instead of moving endless streams of data between separate components, future machines could analyze information exactly where it is created, making intelligent systems more efficient from the very beginning. Some breakthroughs announce themselves with giant machines. Others arrive hidden inside something smaller than a fingertip. This tiny vision chip belongs to the second group, quietly demonstrating that the next chapter of AI may start by borrowing one of nature's greatest ideas, the remarkable efficiency of the human brain. If you enjoy exploring the technologies quietly shaping tomorrow before they become part of everyday life, subscribe to Dezhn, leave a like, and join us for the next breakthrough, changing the future, one innovation at a time.